Hi there, my name is Brittany Flanerick and I'm a student at the University of Wisconsin in Superior, Wisconsin. I am teaching the song through my music education class, Love Makes a Family by Jenny and David Heitler-Klevans. I want to thank them both for giving me the consent to sing this song for this class. I'm looking forward to being able to teach it to you guys. I fell in love with this song when I was going through my early childhood classes and when we talked about the different types of families, and I love the message that it taught, and I would really love to be able to teach you and my future students this song. So the first thing I would do to teach this song is I would either get the CD or I would go to the YouTube video on youtube.com. And I think I would probably prefer the YouTube video as throughout the song or the music video, because there's actually two, but the one in particular has different pictures of different kinds of families or family units that you would see today. And I think it's important to expose children to all different types of families and to talk about the differences and similarities and how each family is so different and special. So the song is called Love Makes a Family, and so the band is Two of a Kind, and Jenny and David Klevans are the two people that make up the band Two of a Kind. So the song is about 4 minutes long, but the phrase or the main phrase I'm going to teach is love makes a family, so many ways that it can be. I want the whole world to see that love makes a family. And that's the part I'm going to teach my children. So I'm going to start. Hello, class. Thank you so much for sitting so very nice through the video that we're about to watch. And I really liked our discussion. So now that we've heard this song, I'm going to teach you how to not only sing it, but also how to sign it. As you could see in the video, Jenny and David, which is the band of Two of a Kind, had special sign language to go with the song. So the first part of the song is love makes a family. So how that goes is love. Love is when you take both of your hands and you cross them against your body like this, like you're giving yourself a big hug. So love, right? So love makes. So the next part, makes. Makes is when you take, and I'm going to watch me first. You take one fist and you meet it. So one fist, and you meet it together. And you're going to move them back and forth. So make. Yeah, very good. Make. So love makes. Now this is another hard one. I think you can do it though. So you're going to make like the EOK or like the zero sign. Like say you're showing somebody zero. And you're going to make another one on the other hand and you're going to meet it together. Family is this sign, and then what you do is you make a big circle and you touch your pinkies together. So family. So love makes a family. Okay, the next one is so many ways that it can be. And how we're going to do that is we're going to do like so many ways that it can be. And that's how we're going to do that. So practice with me. So many ways that it can be. Okay, so that's what we talked about the first and the second verse. The next part is I want the whole world to see. And how we're going to do that is we are going to pretend like we're holding up the globe. We're going to pretend like we're holding up the globe, okay? So I want the whole world to see. Very good. You guys did really good. So I want the whole world to see. And then the next verse is a repeat of the first verse, which is and love makes a family. And that's how it goes. So I'm going to sing it and then we're going to sing it together. Are you ready? So love makes a family, So many ways that it can be. I want the whole world to see that love makes a family. Very good. So at this time, I would then go through with the students. We would go through we would go through at this time the whole entire part that I just sang, and we would do it together. And then we would probably go through the song again on the YouTube and match where that is on the YouTube. And we would continue to go through this verse throughout the week. Thank you so much for letting me teach you a little bit about Love Makes a Family. Have a good night.